Jano, this is how taxpayers' money go to work. You understand me I say? No joke, no doubt. Look on the bus. That bus is free. Yeah, empty right now because early in the morning, but that bus is free. So let me tell you about Jamaican them. Let me explain. So they're coming like with on Washington Boulevard in a Kingston. So you see whole entire Washington Boulevard, you have some bus to run on it. Completely free. You just want to go to the bus stop and see it come stop it, go on it, come off which part you want to come off. So that place in Orlando, Florida is called I-Drive. See? Our most people call it International Drive. So if you're on International Drive, you can look out for one of them buses. They call it coach bus. Just jump on a coach bus. Even ask you where you go or who you be or none of that. You just drive and come off which part you want to come off. Yeah. Very luxurious and it's fully free. No